everyone, welcome to my mom's channel Kitchen Kabullo. Today my mom will prepare a tasty sweet rava kesari. This is very soft and yummy. Let's start. Add 1 tablespoon ghee to the pan, then add few cashews. Fry until they turn golden brown. Now add few raisins and fry. It's done. Transfer them to a plate. Now add 1 more tablespoon ghee to the same pan and then add 1 cup of upma rava. Fry on low flame till rava turns aromatic. See, my mom roasted the rava very nicely, so kesari was very yummy. Now let's add 3 cups of hot water and mix. Mix nicely so that there shouldn't be any lumps. Do it on low flame. Close the lid for a minute and let it cook. After a minute, mix once and add a pinch of food color. First, mix the color in a 1 tablespoon water and then add rava. Now add 1 cup of sugar. Make this to powder so that it melts very fast. Mix nicely. Now add half cup of ghee gradually and mix. Let's add half cup of boiled milk, which will enhance the taste. Also add a pinch of ilachi, which gives nice flavor. Finally, add the fried dry fruits and mix once. It's done. Switch off the flame and transfer to a bowl. Very tasty and yummy rava kesari is in your plate. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more recipes.